These AI animal videos are breaking the internet. No real animals, no camera, and people are making thousands every month. Look at this trend. AI-generated animal videos, from cute pets cooking meals to animals helping each other, are absolutely dominating TikTok and YouTube right now. Some of these accounts are hitting millions of views on every single video. I'll show you a few TikTok pages and YouTube channels that are exploding with massive engagement. But this isn't just about views. Creators are turning this trend into a serious income stream through TikTok's creativity program and YouTube ad revenue. And here's the best part. You don't need real animals, expensive equipment, or advanced editing skills. In this video, I'll walk you step by step through how to create viral AI animal videos from scratch using simple AI tools. Before we start, make sure to like the video and subscribe. Your support helps me bring you more powerful AI content like this. Step 1. Creating the story and prompts. First step is creating image prompts. Don't worry. I've already done the hard work for you. You'll find ready-made prompt templates below. You can use them as is or customize them by simply changing the animal name. Open ChatGPT, paste the first template prompt, and click Generate. ChatGPT will instantly create a full cooking story with multiple scenes. Then copy the second prompt to generate detailed image prompts for every scene. Step 2. Image creation with Leonardo AI. Open Leonardo AI and go to Image Generator. Choose Phoenix 0.1 as the model. Set image style to dynamic and aspect ratio to 9:16. Paste one image prompt at a time and click Generate. Leonardo will give you high-quality, cinematic AI images. Repeat this for all scenes. Step 3. Image to video, Huo AI. Now, open Huo AI. Select image to video. Upload the first image and paste its matching prompt. Click Generate. Repeat this for all images. To save time, you can use multiple accounts and generate clips simultaneously. Step 4. AI background music, Suno AI. For background music, open Suno AI. Go back to ChatGPT and ask for calm, emotional background song lyrics for cute animal videos. Paste the lyrics and music style into Suno AI. Generate until you find a song you like. Then download it. Step 5. Editing in CapCut open. CapCut and create a new project. Import all video clips and arrange them in story order. Add the background music. Then add sound effects. Frying sound for cooking scenes. Chopping sound for cutting scenes. Apply smooth overlay transitions between clips. Remove watermark and export. Scale each clip slightly to remove watermarks. Export in 4K resolution for maximum quality. And boom! Your viral AI animal video is ready. By following this exact process, you can create viral AI videos with stunning visuals, immersive sound. Subscribe for more AI tools.